Welcome, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all good. Today we are going to study 5th standard English subject. Are you ready to hear? Let's go. The first unit is Exploring Space. What is exploring space? Exploring space means discussion about space. This full unit is about space. In the starting of the lesson, Pictionary words are given. Now you are thinking about Pictionary. Already you know about dictionary. Then what is dictionary? Dictionary means a book having the meaning of the words in alphabetical order, that is known as dictionary. But Pictionary means the word having meaning with the picture, that is known as Pictionary. Here the first Pictionary word is Milky Way. The gallery of our solar system is a part. That is the space including all our solar system. Okay. Next Pictionary is Earth. The planet on which we live. That is human living planet is known as Earth. Okay. Third one is Space Shuttle. A spacecraft designed to be used for traveling between the Earth and a space station. In simple, which vehicle is used for travel to land from space? That is known as Space Shuttle. Can you understand? Next, Solar System. The Sun and all the planets that move around it. Already you know about. Then the Sun and other planets are called Solar System. Okay. Last one, Universe. The whole of space and every day in it, including the Earth, the planets, the stars and galaxies. In simple, the whole space is called universe. Okay, dear students, I think you all understand the Pictionary words. How many words we have studied today? Milky Way, Earth, Space Shuttle, Solar System, Universe. I think you all understand. Okay. Where are we living? Yes, we are living in Earth. Okay. How is our Earth? Is it clean or dirty? Yes, some places are clean and some places are not clean. If we clean our surroundings, it will be neatly. Otherwise, our Earth will be harmful. Okay, I ask another one question. If the forest is destroyed, where will the animals live? The animals will enter our places. The same thing, if our Earth is destroyed, where will we live? We have to live in other planets. Nowadays, the scientists are planning to live in Mars also. Today our topic is also related this. Earth, the desolated home. This is our topic. Okay, now entering the topic. It was the year 2068. Humans had destroyed the Earth and started colonizing the red planet Mars. India established 3 colonies. Arumati is main character. Arumati's family lived in one such colony. On her birthday, her grandfather travelled more than 1500 kilometers to come meet her. When he reached, he saw her sleeping in her capsule and went to wake up her. He said, Arivu, wake up. Arumati was surprised. Grandpa, when did you come? I was thinking that you won't be coming for my birthday. Grandpa said, don't you know about dust form of Mars? Sometimes it even lasts for a month, but this time it did not. So I am on time. It still took me 3 souls to reach here. Now come on, let's not waste time. We will go to the harvest the vegetation hab for vegetables. In the hab, he said, these carrots are not tasty anymore like the ones I ate in my childhood. She asked, why do you say so, Grandpa? He explained, the vegetables grow here do not taste like earth. I really wish you to taste the carrot from earth. Arivu asked eagerly, how did they grow crops and vegetables on earth? Now grandfather was sad. He is missing earth. He said earth had a fertile soil. So the vegetables were grown healthy and tasty. She asked, but I learned that humans used a chemical fertilizers and polluted the soil. Here we get unpolluted food and water. Is that correct? Grandpa laughed. Already I told you, these fruits, vegetables and water, they are not in same as in earth. Arivu exclaimed, even the water? Of course, in Mars, we get water from burning fuels. On earth, we used to get water from rain. It was natural and it was free. She said, Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. I know life is earth was easy, but here difficult. He replied, yes, my dear, adopting Mars is difficult. Grandpa told, in earth, you did not need a spacesuit or an oxygen cylinder. Also, the years are longer here. Arivu said, yes, Grandpa, in Mars, 687 days make a year. Ha ha ha. Yes, you would be 18 years old on Earth now. Arivu said, don't worry, Grandpa. Scientists are trying terraforming of Mars like the Earth. He said, true, but nothing can be Earth. Earth is our home. Let us leave now. Today we should celebrate. This is enough, my dear students. Today, from the story, what do you know? We must protect our earth. Otherwise, Arivumati's condition will be to our future generation. Okay. Thank you, my dears.